Howdy, I'm Mr. Joe, and I'll be your math teacher this year. This is my 29th year teaching junior high math, and I'm excited to begin another great school year. I love teaching math and helping students build confidence in their abilities. I look forward to getting to know each of you and working together to make this a successful school year. Parents, thank you for your support. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me through Canvas or email. So this is Canvas. This is our district learning management system. So in the dashboard, let's look at the side view right here. In the dashboard, this is where you'll see the homepage. It's like the homepage. Courses is where you'll see the different classes from English to science to math, and you can click on it and then access whichever class you need. Calendar. So let's talk about calendar right here. In calendar, you'll be able to see what assignments you need to complete for that day. So the first day of school is August 12th. So if I click on here, by the way, this is a math. This is only for math only. By August 12th, you'll see all the different assignments from the different classes. So August 12th is our first day of school. It has our objectives right there, our classwork, and get to know you activity. On August 14th, we're going to learn how to multiply decimals. We have our objectives right here. We have an anchor chart and so on. And then right here below it is where we have our first homework assignment. So homework assignment is always due the next school day. So if the homework is assigned on Friday, it is due on Monday. If the homework is assigned on Tuesday, it's due the next school day, so Wednesday. So inbox, right here, you see inbox. Inbox on the side view, it's like your email. And I can't access it, but below it says help. So if you need to email one of your instructors, that is where you can ask questions. You just click on which teacher, and then you write a message, and it sends directly to us, so we'll be able to respond to you. So let's go back to our courses. So let's access math. So this is our homepage for math. Is welcome to math. I do teach CAP and I do teach ACA. There are 3 of us in 6th grade math: Miss Haggerty, Mr. Joe, and Miss Reddix. Here are our email addresses, our office hours, and here are our tutorial information. We offer tutorials 2 times per day in the morning from Monday to Thursday, 8:20 to 8:45 before school, or we offer it during the school day from 3:27 to 4:05. This is called 8th period advisory. Advisory is like study hall. And this is where kids do their homework, or they seek out help from their teachers, or they attend different clubs and organizations. So notice we have modules. We're going to talk about modules. This is where you find your assignments and homework. And syllabus. So let's look at syllabus for now. Syllabus is our procedures. So if you want to know anything about 6th grade math, how to contact us, the purpose of this course, what objectives we are learning from August all the way to May. Here you go. What materials we need, how our assignments graded, late work policy, makeup policy, reteaching, retesting, which hopefully none of you will have to encounter that, and academic integrity, and so on. So let's go back to module. So let's go back to the homepage. So there are several ways you can access the module, the assignments. The left side view, right here where it says modules, or the quick link right here. You pick which day you're looking for. I do notice that most students generally gravitate towards the left side view and click on module. So we have our 6th grade and 7th grade mathematics reference material chart. It's not available yet, but the Savvis online textbook will be right here. And so we have August 12 to 14. We have August 17 to 21. So we have assignments for the next 3 weeks. So August 12th is the first day of school. So let's click on it. So we always started with objective of what we're going to do that day. We're going to be sharing your thoughts on a math talk video. We have a classwork, get to know you activity, and there is no homework. If you click the next button, you'll see August 13th. And so on. Let's scroll down. There's no homework. I want to go to August 14th. This is our first lesson with homework. So on August 14th, our lesson is over 1-2 multiply decimals. So we do put right here, lesson 1-2, so you can follow along the Savage online textbook. Our objective will be how to multiply decimals. And what will students do? They'll know how to count the decimal places behind the decimal points, so they'll know where in the product where you put the decimal point. This is an anchor chart right here. Anchor chart is a very quick study. So read it. It tells you how to multiply decimals. To multiply decimals, step 1, ignore the decimal points. Step 2, multiply like you normally would. Step 3, this is where you start counting the total number of decimal places in both numbers, and that's where you know where the placement. So we do have summary tutorial videos. So it's me teaching, or I found other videos, and they're very quick. They're usually under 5 minutes, and it tells you, we teach you our very quick lesson on how to multiply decimals. There are 3 ways you can utilize these videos. I notice a lot of students watch the videos before they come to class. So they'll able to, when they get into class, they'll have a general idea of what they are learning. So they have pre-lesson. Some students watch the video after the lesson, after they attended the class. They watch it right before they complete the homework assignment. Or maybe they didn't really understand it that well, and so they can watch it in the comfort of their home. And they can look at the closed caption, they can pause, whatever they need to do. And then the third way is absences. If you are absent, this is a great way to keep up with your class. And then below it, we see where it says multiply decimals. Our homework is housed in Canvas. It's usually less than 10 questions. So if you click on here, it will tell you it is due the next school day. So it's a couple problems to complete. So, and that is Canvas. Every Sunday, I do send out S'mores newsletter. A S'mores newsletter is just communication of what we are going to complete for that week objective. What's happening that week? So first of all, I want to wish you again a great school year. And again, my name is Mr. Joe, and I will be your child's CAP, which is advanced math, or ACA, which is on-level math teacher for the 26-27 school year at McMeans Junior High. Go Bobcats.